The feeling of joy when your food comes out so good is undefeated. To my washed potatoes, I added a drizzle of olive oil and some salt. I wrapped my potatoes in aluminum foil. I'm going to go ahead and air fry these for 50 minutes at 380 degrees. My air fryer settings were at French fries, which was 25 minutes, so I did 25 and 25. While those were in the air fryer, I went ahead and started with my shrimp. I added my spices, and then I'm going to go ahead and pan sear them. And then my potatoes were done, so I went ahead and scooped my potatoes while they were nice and hot, put it in a separate bowl, and then I added my spices, cream cheese, heavy cream, gave that a good mash. I wanted it nice and smooth, no clumps. I added my cheddar cheese, can't forget that. For the sauce, I added some butter, minced garlic, all my spices, which will be on the description below or on my highlights. With the recipe, and then I added some beef broth and some salt for taste, and then some imitation crab, which was like in my freezer for 2 months. You can use fresh crab or canned crab, whatever you got. And then I loaded my potato. I will put it back in the air fryer for a good 5 to 7 minutes, or until like the cheese is like melting. And yeah, there you have it. Added some more sauce on top. This was so good, y'all. Don't knock until you try. I'm in love. And I will make this over and over again, y'all, because this was good.